One tool to rule them all. The Swiss Army knife explained. Imagine carrying a knife, screwdriver, saw, corkscrew, scissors, and more, all in one pocket-sized tool. That's the magic of the Swiss Army knife, a true icon of utility and design. Today we dive into its origins, how it manages so many tools in one unit, and some cool facts you might not know. The Swiss Army knife and its multi-tool cousins are compact folding tools composed of multiple blades and implements, pivoting from a single handle. Why is it so useful? Because humans often face many types of tasks with one small tool set. Whether you're outdoors, working on gear, or fixing something on the fly, the multi-tool brings versatility and portability together. Visualize pulling the tool out of your pocket, flipping open a blade, then a screwdriver, then a saw, all without needing separate tools. Let's rewind the clock. The story begins in Switzerland in the late 19th century, when the Swiss Army needed a compact tool for soldiers, capable of opening canned rations, disassembling rifles, and other field tasks. In 1891, a Swiss cutler named Carl Elsener developed what became the first version of the Swiss Army knife. Over the decades, the design evolved. Stainless steel blades were introduced in 1921. More tools were added, and civilian versions appeared. Today, the knife is not just a tool, but a cultural icon, carried by outdoors types, travelers, makers, and even space explorers. So how does one tool pack so much? Here's what's going on inside. At its core is a main handle frame, within which multiple blades and implements fold. Each blade/tool is pivoted, so you can swing it out when needed. Locking or spring mechanisms in modern versions keep tools secure when in use. Materials matter. Stainless steel blades, tough handles, corrosion resistance all count. Design-wise, selecting which tools go in, knife, saw, screwdriver, corkscrew, scissors, file, etc., depends on intended use, military, camping, everyday carry. Because it's all in one, you carry less. But the design must balance durability, function, and portability. Here are some fun facts about this amazing tool. Many refer to the Swiss Army knife as the original multi-tool. And indeed, the term multi-tool includes it as an early example. The name Swiss Army knife partly comes from American soldiers who began calling it that during World War II because they couldn't pronounce the German Schweizer Offiziersmesser. Alpenwild. Some models have 30+ tools in one handle. One of the largest has over 80 tools. It's not only for the wilderness. Urban carry, travel repairs, first aid kits, and even everyday fix-its benefit from this tool. Innovation continues. Recent models even explore versions without blades for places with knife regulations, and incorporate USB drives, LED lights, and other modern tools. The times. So what's the takeaway? The Swiss Army knife reminds us that versatility matters. When you condense many tools into one well-designed unit, you lighten your load, literally and mentally. Whether you're in the wild, at home, or on the go, having a tool that adapts is powerful. Next time you pull out your multi-tool, remember, it's more than a gadget. It's a piece of design history, innovation, and practicality. Thanks for watching this edition of Cool Gadgets. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tools that changed how we live.